Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta from Pasta Evangelists, and today I will show you how to cook fresh pasta. So the water is ready. It is a really nice hot boiling water. We have added also the salt. Remember, always add about 10 grams of salt per liter of water. This is good for cooking 100 grams of pasta. Be sure to leave enough space for your pasta. We are cooking paccheri today. Add it to your boiling water and cook for 3 minutes to get the perfect al dente pasta. I like to check a piece of the pasta to make sure it is cooked as I like before straining. Now guys, let me show you when the pasta is al dente. When the pasta is al dente, you will literally see a little white line inside, which in Italian, it's really beautiful. We call the soul of the pasta. Yes, we call it like this because, you know, it's very important for us to get the pasta al dente, the consistency that we really like it. And yeah, you can then, ready to mix with your favorite sauce, sprinkle a little bit of cheese and buon appetito. So guys, if you want to cook long pasta, today we have this beautiful mafalde. It's exactly the same way. So hot boiling water, you add the salt and then you cook the pasta. 4 minutes if you want a full cooked pasta. If you want al dente, keep it always between 2.5 to 3 minutes. And also for filled pasta is exactly the same. You can leave it for 4 minutes or 2.5, maximum 3 minutes for the perfect al dente taste.